Sanibona bafethu uvane lo Molefe usesikhiphile isquad sakhe azodlala ngaso kuCOSAFA Cup 2025 yabo kulandela nje after iBafana Bafana iannounce isquad sayo esizohamba siyodlala international friendlies yabo Molefe ke uyena ozokwazi ukumanage le squad list menikhumbula ngaphambilini kwakumele kube uHelman Mkhelele. uHelman Mkhelele ke uzithathe izintambo zokuthi ahambisane beno Hugo Bros because Hugo Bros uyena asebenzisana naye kakhulu akwazi ukuhamba ayokhoja le squad list ukhona uMolefe uyena ozokwenza lo msebenzi loyo. Le COSAFA Cup le izoqala mhla 4 iziphele ngomhla ka15 June. Naba abadlali abalanda uMolefe yabo. Umdlalo wokuqala mlandile uBruce Mvuma. Bruce Mvuma bafethu siyamazi ugoalkeeper lo Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo uyayivimbela iKaizer Chiefs kule season yabo isizini yakhe ayikho enhle ngifuna uqhambanga yabo but ke ugoalkeeper lo omuhle kakhulu for iBafana Bafana futhi kwiCOSAFA Cup because kwiCOSAFA Cup asijwayele ukuthola abadlali abakanje yabo kuthi omunye ugoalkeeper wesibili kubuthakasana Mbanjwa yabo. I'm really happy to see this guy usayethola irecognition yabo awukho abaningi la eSouth Africa abajwayele ukuyithola irecognition sijwayele ukuvunjola ama-foreigners but ke umjida lo bengifuna ukukhetha yena mina instead of Ricardo Goss kwi-main team Bafana Bafana but ke usitholile i-collab yakhe kwi-squad esiyakudlala kwi-COSAFA Cup yabo. I'm really happy for the boy. Masokuthi ugoalkeeper wesithathu kuba uMondli Mpoto. uMondli Mpoto ugoalkeeper lo ubevimbela iRoyal AM but ke right now akanayo iclub currently but ke batholile ithuba lokuthi bambize umjida ayorepresent iBafana Bafana yabo. Ungangitshela ama-comments ngokwakho umuphi ugoalkeeper ombone engcono kule 3 le yalabo goalkeeper labo umuphi ozoqala kulama games eCOSAFA yabo. Mase singena ama-defender i-defender leKaizer Chiefs leli bafethu elidlala kwi-DDC sakhe iKaizer Chiefs watholile ama-games amancane isizophela isizini kwi-main team yeKaizer Chiefs. Lo mjida lo uyadlala yabo. He has been playing regularly kwi-B team yeBafana Bafana. Umjida uEden Makate bafethu ubiziwe naye yo-representa iBafana Bafana kwi-COSAFA Cup. Masokuthi elinye idefender kubu Athenkosi Mcaba. Athenkosi Mcaba ke idefender leli edlala ngempela edlalela iStellenbosch FC yabo. Lo mjida lo ngiyamrate kakhulu so ubiziwe naye ayorepresenta iBafana Bafana yabo. Mase usibheke nje le scheme lesi siqine ngempela yabo. Le squad lesi sibiziwe isquad lesi esingashana noma yipi team la kuphethwe. Ngiyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona abafana baqinile bebizwe bayorepresent iBafana Bafana kwiCOSAFA yabo. Ngisagcizelela kwiCOSAFA maybe lama games la azobaqoqozela azoba kuphulele izinga labo lokudlala baze babizwe kwi-main team yeBafana Bafana. Another player uIme Okon. Ime Okon idefender leli edlala eSuperSport United yabo. Umjida uyadlala ngempela kule season usekhuphulile izinga lakhe lokudlala yabo. Another defender elibiziwe former Orlando Pirates player uKwanda Mngonyama udlalela amaZulu right now ubizile urepresenta iBafana Bafana kwiCOSAFA Cup. Ngibafisela ukuhle abajida bafethu. Former Mamelodi Sundowns defender uSiyanda Msani naye ubiziwe yabo. Right now akadlali even uphethwe Premiership udlala le kwiNFD but ke uMolefe ukwazile ukumrecognize yabo uthi amlanda azorepresent iBafana Bafana yabo. Udlala kwi-team ekuthiwa ama-Tex. Mina ikhumbula ke leyo team le yale ePretoria yabo University of Pretoria. Another player bafethu uGape Moralo. Gape Moralo is another SuperSport United player lo yabo. So iSuperSport la mwazi ubheke iSuperSport neKaizer Chiefs yona edominate kakhulu. Most of abadlali baqhamuka lama team omabili but ke Gape Moralo ngixolise ngepronunciation yaleli gama but ke uGape Moralo is another promising player odlala kahle umjida. I'm not saying promising per se because afika kuSuperSport but uyadlala umjida yabo kule season nje yabo. Umjida ungidlalela kamnandi mina uyena engisamnotice kakhulu kuleli side le SuperSport. Kuthi another player kuba uYandisa Mfolozi oqhamuka kuyona iSuperSport United yabo. Njengoba ngishilo nje iSuperSport iyadominate kule squad esibiziwe seCOSAFA yabo, which is very shocking because mase ubheke i-team yayo yabo. I-team yeSuperSport ile ezansi kwi-league ephethwe but ke abajida mhlambe yabo ba-impressile i-management yeBafana Bafana babona ukuthi no man bayadeserve ukubizwa bayorepresenta iBafana Bafana kwiCOSAFA yabo. Asazi sohlala namathema amathema kanjani maningi ama-team lapha angasinikeza inkinga kwiCOSAFA yabo. iBafana Bafana ayijwayele ukuyiwina iCOSAFA asijwayele but ke kumele siyiwine this time iCOSAFA. Last time we didn't win it. It was a poor display from iBafana Bafana but get this time looking at the squad isibiziwe yabo banginikeza ithemba bajida. Former Orlando Pirates player uFezile Caba ubiziwe now right now udlalela iRichards Bay FC yabo. Kuyangijabulisa ukubizwa yabo. Umazi ubheke nje imostela abadlali bahlukahlukene ama-team ahlukahlukene kubizwa abadlali abaqhawe ama-team ahlukahlukene. Fezile Caba naye udlala kahle lapha kuRichards Bay utholile ithuba lokuthi abizwe ayorepresenta i-country. Another player ongichaze kakhulu kule season uVuyo Lwehlapa. Vuyo Lwehlapa bafethu uyi-left back lomjida lo udlalela iSikhukhune United. Njengodlala iSikhukhune United nje akatholanga ithuba lokuthi abizwe kwi-main team eBafana Bafana, but-ke uMolefinteki umbizile kwi-COSAFA Cup. Yabo umbizile urepresenta iBafana Bafana. I hope umjida akakutholi imali, samdinga kakhulu lo mjida lo. Yabo is one of the promising left backs esinawo la kwi-Betway Premiership. Uyadlala ngempela. It's a pity there are no big teams trying to sign lo mjida lo, because masubheka uyi-prospect yangempela. Yabo luningi osazokubona ngayo uVuyo Lwehlapa. Yabo kuyangijabulisa ngempela ukumbona ekhethiwe. Mayeseza midfielders bafethu Thabo Cele umdlali weKaizer Chiefs utholile nayo i-collab. Uyitholile i-collab, bengimtshela ukuthi uzobizwa kwi-main team eBafana, but-ke I was really surprised ukumbona ebizwa kwi-COSAFA. Yabo I hope umjida uzokhuphula amasokisi azame ukumimpressa uHugo Broos. Akhombisa ukuthi uHugo Broos wayengangikhethanga mina because ngiyakwazi ukuyidlala iposition futhi ngadlala kuBafana Bafana, so wayengangikhethanga. Yabo I hope abajida bazokwazi ukuyirepresenta kahle iBafana Bafana. Uma usibheka isquad esiqine ngempela. Yabo Thabo Cele, I didn't know mina uThabo Cele angabizwa for iCOSAFA because iCOSAFA akusiyona competition. Yabo kubizwa abadlali abaphezulu, abanama profile aphezulu. Yabo another player uSpesihle Mkhize. USpesihle Mkhize lo udlalela iSikhukhune United, former Mamelodi Sundowns player le bafethu. Umjida uyadlala ngempela, so beyideserve kahle i-collab eBafana Bafana, but-ke ubiziwe for isquad seCOSAFA lesi siyorepresent eBafana Bafana. Another player ebiziwe bafethu edlalela iTS Galaxy uKamogelo Sibelebele ubiziwe kumjida. Yabo naye kule season uyadlala ngempela. Yabo so labajida laba babiziwe ngempela bangijabulisa mina. Ngifuna mhlambe ngokwakho wena ungangitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale squad so far esibiziwe for iBafana Bafana, but so far masubheka abadlali baqine ngempela. Abadlali abajwayele ukudlala sibabona la kwiBetway abadlala ngempela, because masubheke isquad seCOSAFA akusibona abadlali abajwayele ukudlala. Yabo abajwayele ukubizwa kwiCOSAFA badlali nje abathola ama-minutes ngaleso sikhathi, but masubheke kule squad samanje sibiziwe abadlali laba abadlala ngempela. Yabo another player obiziwe uPhuso Dithejane, the former Kaizer Chiefs player bafethu. Lo mjida ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu, one of the best players ngokwami, one of the best young players actually. Yabo not say kuthi another player ebiziwe uMduduzi Shabalala la ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. Umjida uyadlala mfethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngomdu nyangazi ngihlezi ngikhuluma umjida uyadlala for me. Kuningi sisazokubona from umdu. Yabo kuningi sisazokubona kulo mjida lo. Season yakhe ibingekho kule season, but-ke yabo I hope next season uzozama ukuperforma really better than this season. Mase siba noSanele Barnes, the former Richards player. Umjida uyadlala naye, ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoSanele Barnes bafethu. Yabo le squad esiqinile bafethu, from i-defense, from i-goalkeeping, from ama-midfielders, from ama-forwards. Yabo nabo Sanele Barnes iBanis madoda badlala labajida. Another player kuba Mokibelo Ramabo bafethu udlalela iPolokwane City. Umjida nawo uyadlala. Yabo is another good player ebiziwe kuBafana Bafana. Mase kuba khona uVictor Lithwalo ukuhlala ebizwa aka ngifuna uqamba. uVictor Lithwalo uyena umdlali nje onenhlanhla yokubizwa kwesquad seCOSAFA. Mase kuba uWandile Duba naye another young player edlalayo kuBetway Premiership so far. Yabo umjida beyideserve vele naye collab, so ubiziwe ke bizwa uMolefinteki. Striker se-Orlando Pirates uBoitumelo Radiobane naso sibiziwe. Yabo even though igame time bengayitholi kwi-Pirates, but-ke uMolefinteki udecide ukumbiza umjida ayorepresenta isquad seBafana Bafana. Yabo uyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona umfana omncane ibizwa. Nemtatshela another player bafethu edlala ngempela kule season. Yabo usayini ku-Orlando Pirates right now. Njobe sayini nje ku-Orlando Pirates kumele akhuphule amasokisi adlale ngempela, maybe impress even Hugo Broos. Yabo impress ama-bosses akhe akwi-future, awakhombisa ukuthi kahle na into eningisayinele lona. Ngiyadlala ngempela bafethu. Isquad sesiphelele nasi. Yabo nasi isquad sesiphelele. Ungangitshela wena kuma-comments ngokwakho ukuthi imuphi umdlali obengamele abizwe, imuphi umdlali oshodayo kule squad esibiziwe. But for me I think le squad lesi siqinile. Yabo siqine enough le squad lesi to take iCOSAFA Cup 2025. Yabo ungangitshela ama-comments bafethu. uVane Sport lo ungakhohlwa ngiyatholakala ku-YouTube, ufike uyosubscribe nje khona. Ngiyatholakala futhi na ka-Facebook ngoVane Sports. Yabo ngiyabonga ngesupport eningiyayo nabafethu. Sobonana nje.